In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your snapshot ID in GoHighLevel. This is a quick but really important process if you're sharing snapshots, connecting them to other tools, or working with support and they ask you for a specific snapshot ID. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel agency account. Once you're in, head over to your agency view launchpad. This is basically your main control center at the agency level, where you manage accounts, tools, and settings. If you're not already on that page, look for the option labeled Agency or Agency View in your navigation and open the launchpad from there. From the agency launchpad, look for the section or menu item called Account Snapshots. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your snapshots are stored. Snapshots are templates of accounts that bundle funnels, workflows, settings, and other assets. So this page might have quite a few if you've been using GoHighLevel for a while. Once the account snapshots page loads, you'll see a list of the snapshots available in your agency. Take a moment to locate the specific snapshot you want the ID for. It helps to check the snapshot name and description so you're sure you're selecting the right one, especially if you have multiple versions or similar names. Next to the snapshot you want, look for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Kebab menu. It's usually on the right-hand side of the row. Hover over that area if you don't see it immediately, then click on the 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with actions related to that snapshot. In that drop-down, you'll see an option that says Copy Snapshot ID. Click on that. As soon as you do, GoHighLevel will automatically copy the unique ID for that snapshot to your clipboard. You won't see a big pop-up, but you may notice a small confirmation message depending on your interface. From here, you can paste that snapshot ID wherever you need it, into a message, a document, an integration setup, or a support ticket. Just use the standard paste shortcut on your device. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully located and copied your snapshot ID in GoHighLevel.